start. The Ministry of Water Resources lays down policies and programs for development and regulation of the country's water resources. It covers sectoral planning, coordination, policy, guidelines, technical examination, and techno-economic appraisal of the projects, providing central assistance to specific projects, facilitation of external assistant and assistant in the resolution of interstate water disputes, policy formulation, planning and guidance in respect of major, medium and minor irrigation command area development, flood management and development of ground water resources, etc. The National Water Policy 2002 lays emphasizes on integrated water resources development and management for optimal and sustainable utilization of the available surface and ground water, creation of well development information system, water conservation and demand management, quantity and quality aspects as well as environmental considerations, involvement of beneficiaries and stakeholders in the project planning and participatory approach in water resources management, training and research, resettlement and rehabilitation aspects of projected affected persons. The policy also encourages private sector participation in planning, development and management of water resources projects for diverse uses wherever feasible with a view to introducing innovative ideas, generating financial resources, and introducing corporate management and improving service efficiency and accountability to users. Stop. The average annual water availability of the country is assessed as 1869 billion cubic meters and total utilizable water resources is assessed as 1123 BCM, out of which 690 BCM is surface water and 433 BCM replenishable ground water resources. Stop.